Welcome back to my channel MCQ with Tuktuk. In this video today, we will see all the 26 shortcut keys along with the control. That is Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus B, Ctrl plus C. What is the effect of this in MS Word? Now let us see. The first question, what happens when I press Ctrl plus A? In MS Word, if you press Ctrl plus A, it will select all the text, all the content of the document. Our next question, what is the function of Ctrl plus B? Once you select some text and press Ctrl B, it will convert the selected text into bold. I think all of you know what is bold. So Ctrl B is to convert the text into bold using the shortcut key. This is the bold text. Number 3. What does Ctrl plus C do? When you select some text and press Ctrl C, it will copy the text. So Ctrl A, select all, Ctrl B, bold, Ctrl C, copy. Next, Ctrl plus D will open the font formatting dialog box. To open this font formatting dialog box, you have to press Ctrl D. Next question, what does Ctrl plus E do? Ctrl plus E will help you to align the text or align the paragraph center justify. We know there are different kind of justification of a paragraph, left, right, center. For center justification, you have to press Ctrl E after selecting the paragraph or the line of text. Next question, what happens when you press Ctrl plus F? Ctrl plus F will give you the find dialog box. If you press Ctrl F, you will find the text. That is, you can see the find dialog box which will pop up. G will help you to give you the same dialog box but with the go to tab open. One is find, one is go to, and another is replace. So Ctrl G will help you to give you the go to dialog box. What does Ctrl plus H do? Ctrl plus H will help you to get the replace text box or replace dialog box. That is, it will help you to replace the text. Ctrl plus I, similar to Ctrl plus B, it will help you to italize the text. The text will be in italic form. What does Ctrl J do? As I have said before, Ctrl E, Ctrl J and Ctrl L. J will give you justified text, Ctrl R right justification, Ctrl L left justification, Ctrl E center justification and Ctrl J justify the text. Both sides, left and right, will be same. K will help you to insert a hyperlink. What does the function of Ctrl plus K in MS Word do? It will help you to show you the hyperlink, insert hyperlink dialog box so that you can insert the hyperlink. Will help you to see the insert hyperlink. What does Ctrl L do? As I told you earlier, it will help you to left align the selected text. What does the use of Ctrl plus M do in MS Word? Ctrl plus M will help you to increase the indent. What does the function Ctrl plus N do? When you try to open a new document in MS Word, you have to press Ctrl N. That is, create a new document. What does Ctrl plus O do? O will help you to open a document that you have already created. Pressing Ctrl O, you can open your created document. Ctrl P. Ctrl P will help you to show you the print dialog box and you can take the print out of your documents. You have got many adjustments that you can do. I will show you in the next video how you can take the print out in MS Word. But the shortcut key is Ctrl plus P. What happens when you press Ctrl plus Q in MS Word? Ctrl plus Q will help you to remove the paragraph formatting? No. Quick application, query a document, quick set will help you to quit the application. Ctrl+Q will help you to remove the paragraph formatting. To remove the paragraph formatting, you can use Ctrl+Q. Ctrl+Q is used to remove the paragraph formatting. What is the use of Ctrl+R? Ctrl+R is for right align the selected text. What is Ctrl+S? Ctrl+S is used for saving a document. While typing a document, you can save time to time by pressing Ctrl+S. First, you should press the Ctrl key, then you should press the S. What is the function of Ctrl+T in MS Word? Ctrl+T is used for creating hanging indent. To create hanging indent, you have to press Ctrl+T. What happens when you press Ctrl+U? Ctrl+U will help you to underline the selected text. What is the use of Ctrl+V? We all know Ctrl+C is for copy, but by copying, what will you do? You have to paste the text, you have to press Ctrl+V. To paste the text wherever you require, you have to take your cursor there and press Ctrl+V. What does Ctrl+W do? Ctrl+W will close the current document. What is the function of Ctrl+X? Similar to Ctrl+C, as you copy the text, you can use Ctrl+X to cut the text. When you cut the text in the present location will be removed, and when you press Ctrl+V, the text will be moved to that particular location. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+X are nearly same. Ctrl+C is for copy, Ctrl+X is for cut. And when you use both Ctrl+C or Ctrl+X, you have to use Ctrl+V. Without using Ctrl+V, it is totally meaningless. What happens when you press Ctrl+Y? Ctrl+Y is used for redo the work that you have done. Redo the last action is Ctrl+Y. What is the function of Ctrl+Z? Ctrl+Z is used for undo the last change. Suppose you created a text and you want to undo it, you have to press Ctrl+Z. Again, if you want to redo that, you have to press Ctrl+Y. So Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y are mostly used. We frequently use Ctrl+Z, Ctrl+Y, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+X, Ctrl+V, and many more alphabets I have shown you to use along with the Ctrl key. This is a short video and in this video I have shown you all the 26 alphabets that can be used along with the Ctrl key and their functions. This all for the video today. Please like this video if it is helpful for you and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video very soon. Till then, bye-bye.